Just got an exhaust or muffler delete done on it, so this is how it sounds. Alright, so I'm doing a cold start in the 2002 Ford Explorer 4.6 liter V8. Just got an exhaust or muffler delete done on it, so this is how it sounds. On the inside, it's not that loud. Try this off. You can hear it a little bit, but it's not like overbearing, and it's like no drone when I'm driving, so not too worried about it. I like it. I enjoy it. Also got the new radio put in. It's a Boss touchscreen. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So far, I really like that too. Turn the heat on. It is cold down here, but so far it sounds good. I got the guy that installed it for me at Best Buy, he actually hooked up my sub back. There's a factory sub that's installed in here, and it wasn't working for the longest. So he finally hooked that back up for me. So now I have a little bit more bass in here. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's better than what it was. So I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna take this to go check out a place, and hope you guys enjoy this little update video on the 2002 Explorer. And I have some more updates coming for this as well. But I have to focus on moving first because I'm driving a lot for work right now and I have no time to do anything else. So once I move, you guys will see the updates coming up for this truck. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.